tātou ainga. Ia mara pa ia tātou atunu ia. Tū manga masani lava ia la sa, whatino ina lava ia. O le tautua, e ala le tapinanga o suawa i mule ainga. Ia ale anga tua i tātou video. Ia tangtanga I mai fo. Talofa and welcome back to the channel, guys. It's great to have you guys back. We're to another episode of our Sunday cooking. We're just about to start scraping taros. The weather is a bit gloomy today. It's been drizzling all morning, so it's a soup kind of day. So we're gonna, I think we've got pork trotters and some chicken and fish. So yeah, again, trying to keep it simple. But yeah, guys, hope you enjoy the content today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys, and we'll see you soon. Alright guys, so it's raining a lot more now. It's raining pretty heavy now. Just finished the taro, so I'm probably gonna go get started on the food. Alright guys, so our menu here, the 3 proteins I said, which is the chicken, pork trotter, and fish, the coco fish. So yeah guys, I'm gonna get started on that. I'm gonna get the pork trotters onto the heat as soon as possible now because it might take a while and I don't want it few. Alright, pork trotters in. E le meu kupu, le roko fere le whakare wala ma sen ku oi kalo so le woso kongo la pakao mea. E wo koe wa ia whaka. E le wo mau wala. Le Le whakawarawara me. Ta ki e kore. Ore umusa pai. We did a umu on Wednesday or Thursday. Because we caught a pig at the plantation. And that is still in here. I mean, what's left of it, because we've been eating it slowly. Look at that. That's why the whakawarawara was at the umu. So now I'm going to take back out the taro and put it on this. So for the fish, we're gonna fasua it, add coconut cream. Filippo's just onto the coconuts now, but I'm gonna get started on peeling the potatoes, getting the onions ready, and then possibly, I don't know, we got the chicken to do, but I'm also feeling like pork. No, stick to the menu. Alright, potatoes sorted. Alright guys, so I need to scale the fish and take out its guts. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. I think we're gonna do 2 fish. Yes, do 2. Right, so everything's sorted. You've got the coconut cream, potatoes, onions, doing the garlic now for the chicken. Pork trotter, so as you guys saw there, I was taking out the, that's hot, taking out sort of the scum that was around from the pork trotters, so keep that on. But we're gonna start on the chicken. I think I might go get some basil just to, you know, for the chicken. Hallelujah. Alright guys, I think we're going pretty good. Is done. Kapuvae is almost there. Pork trotters. And then we've got the chicken. Probably give it another. We've only got an hour left till church finishes, so I think we're okay if we give it another half hour. And the remainder of the umu that's baking with the fish. We've got the watercress there that's left to go inside the pork trotter soup. But other than that, we're going pretty good for time. Weezer, let's go. It's coming along nice. Oh, sorry, it's really hot. All right, pork trotter's looking good. Roast chicken, it's roasting. There we go, it's roasting pretty good. Alright. So yeah guys, I'm just waiting for a bit, but I just noticed we had tamu here. And that was the kamu that was next to the house, the plantation next to the house. I haven't used it yet because I still don't know how. Because when you use for the kamu, it's not like taro. There's a specific way you have to scrape it, and you have to use a knife. So it's sort of like cutting it, and you have to cut it because if you don't cut it properly, it's actually going to be itchy, mangiso, when you eat it. So that's why I still haven't tried cooking ka'amu yet, but it's something I'm willing to learn. So comment down below if you guys know how to fisi the ka'amu. You can probably help me out, and we'll definitely do an episode we'll probably include it in one of our Sunday cooking episodes, the ka'amu, because it's one of my dad's favorites, especially when you fa'alifu it. Oh man, it's like potato, it's so nice. But yeah. And also, I know sometimes the menu looks repetitive on Sundays, but see, that's the problem here in Samoa is we don't have a variety of meat selections, and plus some are quite expensive. So chicken and pork trotters, sometimes beef if we're lucky, but that's the majority of the protein, and fish as well. So most of the time it'll be variations of those, but for the most bit, it's just going to be those. So yeah, it's part of the downfalls, but that's why I try to make our cookings interesting every now and then, just to show some variation also for the family, but maybe try something new. So I try to mix it up every now and then. So yeah guys, let's go. Yeah. Oh, well, a rascal. Let's go, boy. Let's go, sila ba? Yeah. Pungin markam. Markis. Wife's coming to check if the food is ready. Yeah, God, look, we're almost ready now, so yeah, let's get it going. Alright, so in the back there was where we got the tamu that I showed you. So we still got a lot of tamu there that we'll hopefully be harvesting during this month. Next month I will buy my favorite. But also guys, look, so yeah, come for be usus kako mamoy feli salai. Oh, pinggir ka mga so nga isala bla may kilo di salai gusto dia so it ka kalpalang I found so you ko my kalpalang go foul like. Hey guys, food's almost ready now. Alright guys, if you made it this far, finally reached the end, just want to say thank you. the weather has changed again. It was a bit sunny, now it's raining again, so I'm gonna show you guys the results, and yeah, I'm gonna eat because I'm very hungry as well. On this side, so that's our menu there, and our menu there. So we'll start from here. We've got our Supo Kapuvae, pork trotter soup with potatoes and the watercress. We've got our roast chicken with soy sauce and garlic and onion. Got our umu there, and our suia, which is the koko. Comment down below if you know the English name for this fish, the koko. See the nice. Let's get a closer look at the nice fish meat there, and the suave. Oh, can't wait to get into this. This is one of my favorite. Is the suave. So yeah, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna get to eating now with the family. Hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Just want to say thank you again, guys, for the support, the usual support on our channel. I really appreciate it. Everyone here, you know, in the family, appreciate the support, guys. You know, the channel's growing well, and I owe it all to you guys, so just want to say thank you. But yeah, I'm gonna sign off, guys. I'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode, but until then, guys, God bless, take care, stay safe, have a great week, and see you guys soon.